Guys, in this video we will theme a Samsung device which is running OneUI 3 and above. Now I did make the same video for OneUI 1.0 and 2.0 devices, but they had a different process. So it just made sense to make one for OneUI 3.0 and above devices. So this is my Note 20 running OneUI 4.0 based on Android 12. I've used it on my M52 which is running OneUI 3 based on Android 11. So if you follow the same steps, you will get it working on any device which runs OneUI 3. Now there are three apps that you need to download. The first one is Hex. Just go to the Play Store, search Hex. Now this costs $120. It's a paid app. There are no cracked versions of it, and trust me, this will be the best $120 that you spent on an app. Let's just click on install. The second thing that you have to download is Theme Park. Now you have two options here. You can download Good Lock and then install the Theme Park module from there, or you can just install the Theme Park standalone app. Link of both will be in the description below. The third app is called Shizuku. I think I butchered the name, but it's called Shizuku. It's a wireless debugging tool which is used to give permissions to Hex installer. Let's just go to Shizuku. I've already installed it, so I'll just uninstall it for this video and just install it again. Now, it's not a spyware and it's completely safe. After all of this is done, the first step you have to do is go to Theme Park. So this is Theme Park with me. Link of that will be in the description. So what you have to do is just open Theme Park and click on Create New. So let's just select a wallpaper. Let's select the default one. Click on Next. Now you can theme everything here. I do not like to theme it. I'll just keep it as it is. Just click on this download button. And let's just name this theme as, let's name it YouTube tutorial. Click on OK. It's installing theme, doing some stuff in the background, preparing data, and it's done. Now what you have to do is, you see this hanging thing? That's the new theme. Just click on it and tap on apply. That's it. In a couple of seconds it will be applied, and it's applied. Anyways, the second thing that you have to do is let it load. The second thing that you have to do is just go to Hex. So this is Hex. Just go to Hex. Now you will see Storage Access Framework. Just select the Hex folder. I have already created a Hex folder. So if you are here right now, just click on Create New Folder and name it Hex. Go inside it and select Use this folder. That's it. And allow. Okay. Now install unknown apps. Yes. Enable it. Go back. And that's it. Now you get this ADB theming setup. Initially, if you just open the app without doing the theme park thing, both will be red cross. But the second part is ticked because we did the theme park thing. Now Hex ADB setup. Clicking on it. So how to set up, if you don't know how to set up, but I'm telling you, so just don't click on that. So second option is run with Shizuku, no PC required. That's the option that we'll be doing because it's easier. The third, fourth and fifth option is you can just download the tool for Windows, Mac or Linux and grant permissions via ADB from there. I'll just click run with Shizuku. Now this is Shizuku. What you have to do now is click on pairing, then developer options, and developer options will be open. But if you haven't enabled developer options, just go to settings, scroll down to the end, go to about phone, go to software information, tap on the build number 7 times and developer options will be enabled. Anyways, in the developer options, scroll down and you see it wireless debugging, tap on it. It's disabled, just enable it. Now what you have to do is click on pair device with a pairing code and you have a code 102562. I'll just swipe from my notifications. I am not getting notifications because I have turned on my DND. Anyways, so this was 102562. I'll just go here and enter pairing code 102562 and click on send. That's it. As you can see, under paired devices, it says Shizuku. Go to your recents, go to Shizuku, go back, click on start, and finally it's done. So if you just start Shizuku, in a few seconds it's done. Just go back to Hex and tap on run with Shizuku again. And it says allow Hex to access Shizuku. Just allow all the time. And that's done. If you can see, both options are green. What I'd like to do now is close it again and click on Hex. That's it. Now the main option, personalize. Click on it, tap on it. So you have UI mode. You have multiple UIs for it. The default one, Bodhisattva, default OneUI Daylight. If you want more, you can just download from the Play Store. Just click on it and it will direct you to all the Hex plugins that it has. Now, a lot of them are paid. The good ones are paid. So I suggest that you don't only pay for the ones that you really want. Anyways, let's just go back. I'll select the default one. Now we have coloring. We can change the entire UI from it, the colors of the entire UI. The primary color is red. I don't like red. Let's take blue. Looks cool. The accent color is like purple. Let's take a different thing. Let's just move it to, let's say, red. So blue and red looks like a good combo. Primary text color, secondary text color, your quick settings. So your background color, quick setting background color. If you can change the background color, as you can see. I like to keep it black because black looks great on AMOLED. Anyways, you can change the icon off color, icon on color. So icon off color is, if you can see the Wi-Fi, it's on, so it's red by default. You can change that. The sound one, the vibrate, it's off, has no color. You can change that too. That's pretty good. You can change the transparency if you want. As you can see, my transparency is changing, and just play around with it. Go back. Here you have apps. You can theme every app that you have on your phone. As you can see, one of the best things about this app is you get pitch black WhatsApp, and you can't get pitch black WhatsApp on any Android device that I know of. Yes, you can get it on iOS. I use an iOS device. You can get it on an iOS device, but I don't know why you don't get it on an Android device. You have dark mode, but it's not enforcing on WhatsApp. So that's it. You get pitch black WhatsApp. So select all the apps that you need. If you have custom fonts, select those. Now preferences. You can change the quick tile mask. Anyways, a navigation bar height, Note UI with less corner radius. I have already selected it because I have a Note device. You can replace the 4G with LTE icon, hide battery icon, and all these things. Just go back, and now let's just tap on build and install H+. That's it. It's compiling, and in a few seconds it will compile. So it says applying default. It will apply default theme by default. That's a tongue twister. Anyways, now what you have to do is let it load. If you don't want to let it load, so it has loaded. Anyways, now just go to theme park, and remember you installed the YouTube tutorial. You created a new one. We created a new one. Just tap on it and hit apply. If you see, everything will be themed. It almost looks the same, but trust me guys, it is themed. Let it just load. Okay, it has loaded. If you can see the settings, it's all the quick settings, it's all black. The settings, it's all black. If I just go to the phone dialer, it's all black. Now the Play Store, let's say if I just go to my gallery, it's all black, and there you have it. A themed Galaxy phone running OneUI 3 and above. So this was easy. If you like this video, smash that like button. Share with your friends, comment for any queries, and since you're commenting, hit that red subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos that I post. That's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one.